Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Anybody that's new to the channel, my name is Chris, and in this video we're going to talk about Bionano Genomics, ticker symbol BNGO. This company was trading for less than $1 less than a month ago, but since then has gained over 1,200% in shareholder value. Now, many analysts and investors believe that this rise is completely unsustainable and this company is way too volatile. But this company has done great things in recent weeks that a lot of analysts have upped their price prediction and even gave more bullish statements on BNGO. So in this video, I want to answer the biggest questions that you may be having, whether or not this company is a must buy right now, or is this company way too risky? I'm going to try to give you guys the most up-to-date information that I possibly can to make sure you guys stay informed with BNGO. So stick around, guys. I have a lot of good information for you all. So Bionano Genomics, ticker symbol BNGO, right now after hours trading at $12.42. And this one specific trading day, it gained over 28.37%. Okay, if we take a look back just a month ago, you can say that it was trading around the low 90s, high 80 mark, like 80 cents. Okay, but since then you can see this incredible gain and tremendous momentum. Right now they have a market cap of $3.42 billion. Okay, now there's a lot of people out there that don't exactly know what BNGO does, what they do, or what they specialize, or why this company has been getting so much attention. So I kind of want to explain that to you guys briefly, just to make sure you guys, we are all on the same page. Bionano is a genome analysis company providing tools and services based on its Sapphire system to scientists and clinicians conducting genetic research and patient testing and providing diagnostic testing for those with autism spectrum disorder and other neurodevelopmental disabilities through its Lin business. So BNGO is in the genome realm that they're gonna have a huge space in the near future, okay? This company has been doing so many innovative things to help the healthcare, and genome is probably gonna be one of those investments that a lot of investors can start to take a look at and start to invest now, because this could be the future, okay? There have been huge name investors that have been investing into the genome realm because of its potential that it could have in the healthcare. And one of those investors is probably Catherine Woods. She's probably considered one of the best investors that there is right now. And she's one of those investors that have been investing into things for the future, whether it's technology, robotics, artificial intelligence, energy storage, blockchain. She's also even centered around genome sequencing. Okay, so there is a huge market for genome right now, and BNGO is doing a pretty good job so far expanding and spreading the word out for their main product. Okay, and their main product is this, okay, the Sapphire. So this is BNGO's website, and here, if you guys would like, you guys could click here and get more in-depth details on what this Sapphire does. But this product is the game changer for a lot of healthcare providers. BNGO describes this product a genome imaging tool for high-speed, high-throughput structural variant detection and analysis with exceptional sensitivity and specificity. Simply put, by imaging DNA molecules, the Sapphire system allows medical professionals to detect structural variants in genes that other currently available technologies might miss. Okay, like I was saying, this is probably the bread and butter product. Okay, this is the main thing that's actually pushing BNGO so high. This specific product. Why? Because it's more convenient for healthcare providers and it's faster and more reliable. Okay, one of the biggest things is this. You could just see this sequencing right here. You get your sample, you put it into the DNA extraction, the sample is loaded, sample is analyzed. Plain and simple, and the healthcare provider gets all the information that they could possibly have, right? You could put so many different types of samples, whether it's tissues, blood, cultural set, or bone marrow. Okay, if we guys look at the traditional way, you can see how much of a mess this little Christmas tree is, all right? You can see just by this Christmas tree, let's call it, there's a lot more room for error, and there's a lot more room for mishaps or misuse or misplacements, or if samples get lost. Okay, so if we could use the Sapphire system, which is a one-way stop to analyze these samples, makes it a whole lot more convenient and way better for healthcare providers. So now let's talk about why Biogenomics has been skyrocketing. Okay, one of the big things is that Maxim analyst Jason McCarthy has basically raised up his stock price prediction. This is one of the very few analysts that have been looking into BNGO for some time now, and he's been very bullish on this company since 2019. He's raised the stock price from $2 to $14, basically 7 times his previous stock price. McCarthy believes the recent next generation cytogenomics osmosis, during which doctors and scientists highlighted the impressive capabilities of its Sapphire optical genome mapping system, helped to demonstrate the important role Bionano could serve in the healthcare industry. Awareness, adoption, and messaging in 2019 and 2020 culminated with cytogenetics osmosis that has opened the eyes of the genomics world to Sapphire in our review, McCarthy said. So this is one of the very few analysts that is very bullish on this company. This is one of the two catalysts that have been happening for BNGO on this one specific trading day. The second thing is that BNGO is about to close a public offering of about 38 million shares. Okay, 38 million shares about this common stock with a possibility of 5 million more shares. They're selling each share for $6 a piece, generating $230 million. And this is very good for this company and possibly even making a little bit more money if they sell the other 5 million shares. So now they're going to have $230 million in their back pocket to basically reinvest back into the research and technology. So right now, this company, since let's say it's a brand new company because it was still considered a penny stock less than a month ago, you know, they could use this $230 million to basically use it to fund their previous and their future researches. So this is very big for BNGO. So let me give you guys my honest opinion on this company and my price prediction. This company has a lot of potential, but this company is one of these companies for the future. They are in the genome world that right now isn't too, let's say, fundamentally sound. But right now, BNGO is basically setting the tone for a lot of other genome companies. BNGO is one of these up-and-coming companies that it just needs a break. Okay, but with the Sapphire product, you can see it does have a lot of potential to scan many different types of cells and samples and make it a lot easier for healthcare providers, even helping out, giving them as much information about these diseases or these disorders that people may or may not have. And it's pretty accurate compared to the stats that we have seen. And it makes it a little bit more reliable for healthcare providers, not having to deal with all the mess and the design of traveling through here, trying to get a sample here, and a whole bunch of word of mouth that increases your chances of misuse of samples. So Sapphire is more, let's say, better sound for healthcare providers. Okay, right now they do have a beta of 2.93, makes it extremely volatile. But a lot of analysts have been seeing huge potential in this company. Okay, and to be honest with you, if you guys could get into this company and take the punches with the volatility, because there's just no way that within a month a company could increase its stock price by 1,200%, right? Can this be sustainable? Maybe, you know, maybe it won't increase another 1,200% next month. It will probably increase more, 4 or 5%. Okay, a lot of analysts have this company around $14 a share to buy right now. I actually have it around $9. I do see it coming down just a little bit, okay, because this company hasn't really made too much revenue or too much profit in a way to tell me or convince me otherwise that it's a solid company all around. Okay, their big thing is a Sapphire, but you know, I would like to see a little bit one more product to actually put out there and show more healthcare providers. Even though the Sapphire is a huge breakthrough technology, no mistaken. Okay, and they could probably live off of that product if it does, you know, sell to everybody, right? But in the genome realm, it's one of these things that it's for the future. Okay, I'm a long-term investor. That's my method of investing. I'm a long-term and dividend investor, but I also like to get into value investing and some growth stocks as well. Okay, I have many different portfolios, and I do have BNGO in my one of these high-risk portfolios that I kind of manage on my own. Okay, so since this is a high-risk stock, in my opinion, because right now the volatility, you know, I do still buy this stock, you know, every now and then. I'm not really heavy on this company, but I'm still buying this company. Whenever I see this company going down, if it goes down less than $10, I'll probably buy a little bit more shares. I don't have too big of a position in this company, but you know, it is what it is. Alright guys, so I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. I try to give you guys the most updated information I possibly can. I gave you the reasons why this company has been skyrocketing as of late. The Sapphire products, a lot of analysts have been bullish, and they just got $230 million cash to basically fund and help with their research and services. So I do hope you guys love this information. If you guys did, please remember you subscribe to the channel to get more information, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button. Helps the video get pushed out to more and more viewers, and it helps beat the YouTube algorithm. If that's something you guys want to see happen, please make sure you like the YouTube video. Okay, thank you all for watching. I do appreciate the support I've been getting as of late. I do appreciate each and every one of y'all. Please be safe out there, take care of one another, and peace out, guys. Till next time, bye.